In this video, we are going to discuss the example number 8. In this example, we will learn something more specific. Here, discuss the continuity of the function. In solution for it, since this function is a polynomial function and this function is defined at every point, every real number, because this polynomial function's domain is real number. So at any number c, its value will be cq plus c square minus 1. fc and when we will get the left hand limit or right hand limit, for both purposes we have to use the same definition, fx equal to x cube plus x square minus 1. So out of 2 we are not going to find the left or right hand limit separately. We simply find the limit, and that will be also same because the same formula will be same definition will be used which was used to get the value of function at c. At x equal to c, this fc will be cq plus c square minus 1, and we will get the limit because same definition of the function we have to use to get the limit. So left or right limit separately we will not find, and simply we will find the limit, and this limit will be x tends to 1, and definition will be x cube plus x square minus 1, and this value will be cq plus c square minus 1. Simply you have to put the best approx value of x in this relationship, so get the cq plus c square minus 1. Since value of function and limit both are equal, so this function is continuous for every value of c or every value of c. This is continuous at x equal to c, and this c is a any number. This is c is any number. Now discuss the example number 9. Definition of fx equal to 1 upon x. Condition is given here, x not equal to 0. It means its domain is x not equal to 0. Its domain will be all the real number except 0. Therefore, if we take any number c which is not equal to 0, then value of function will be 1 by c, and when c is not equal to 0 and the limit either be left or right, both will be defined by the same definition of the function fx equal to 1. So we directly find the limit x tends to c fx and use the definition of the function 1 by x and put the value, approx value of x, which will be c. This will be this value of function and the limit of function both are equal. That's why this is continuous at x equal to c, where c is not equal to 0. Therefore fx is continuous at x equal to c, where c is not equal to 0. By this example, we have to define the concept of infinity. Take this opportunity to explain the concept of infinity is written here. take this as an opportunity to define concept of infinity. If c equal to 0, then value of function will be 1 upon 0. This is not defined. This is not defined. 1 upon 0, what is not defined? When x is less than 0, means we are going to find the left hand limit. We would find the left hand limit x less than 0. X less than 0 means x equal to 0 minus h, and this is less than 0. 0 minus h is less than 0. That time 1 upon c since x tends to 0 in the negative direction, if we draw the graph, suppose when x is minus 2, at x equal to minus 2, then f minus 2 will be minus 1 by 2. There will be, suppose this is, if this is minus 2 and this is minus 2, there will be minus 1 and there will be minus 1 by 2. Means the point will be here. When x equal to minus 1, here minus 1, then fx value will be also minus 1 and the point will be this. When x will be minus 1 by 2, then value of function will be minus 2, means point will be here. We are getting this when all these 3 points we join by free hand. So we are observing that as x is approaching toward to 0 from लेफ्ट साइड, हम लेफ्ट साइड से 0 की ओर अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, 0 की ओर अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ एक्स इज अप्रोचिंग टू माइनस इंफिनिटी. दैट्स वाई लिमिट x tends to 0 from the left hand side, minus means from the left hand side, that time value of function will approach to minus infinity. So then its best approx will be minus infinity. There will be this. Similarly, right hand limit, राइट हैंड लिमिट, सिमिलरली राइट हैंड लिमिट की अगर हम बात करें, देन लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 के ऊपर प्लस 1 बाई एक्स, मीन्स we have to approach toward 0 from the right hand side. Graph, this is 0 and हम इधर से चल के आएंगे ऐसे right hand side से 0 की ओर अप्रोच करेंगे. Suppose this is x2, there will be 1 on the similarly y axis, this is 2, this is 1. When x equal to 2, then f2 will be 1 by 2, there is 1, this will be 1 by 2 and a point will be this. When x equal to 1, then value of function will be 1 and point will be here. This will be point. When x equal to 1 by 2, here will be x equal to 1 by 2. Then value of function will be 2, this, and the point will be on the graph paper will be here. When we join all the 3 points by freehand, so we are observing that as x approaches toward to 0, then value of function approaches toward to infinitive. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 plus when x approaches to 0 from right hand side, then this value, then its value 1 by x value will be, then value of 1 by x approach toward to the positive infinitive, positive side of infinitive. Since we are observing here, first of all, f0 does not exist. Second, left hand limit and right hand limit, one is minus infinity, one approaches to minus infinity, another approaches to plus infinity. It means these two are not equal, and we can say that all these three are not equal to each other. ये तीन के तीनों कंटेंट होते हैं, तीन के पार्ट्स होते हैं कंटिन्यूटी चेक करने के लिए. all the three are not equal. That's why this function fx will not be continuous at x equal to 0. This is not continuous at x equal to 0. And by any way, by any means, किसी भी तरीके से इस फंक्शन को कंटिन्यूस बनाया भी नहीं जा सकता. अगर इस फंक्शन में कोई भी मॉडिफिकेशन करें फिर भी ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस x इक्वल टू 0 पे नहीं होगा. तो देयरफॉर इसी तरीके से हमने 1 बाई एक्स का एक ग्राफ भी जान लिया कि इसका ग्राफ कुछ इस शेप का होगा. जैसे जैसे x की वैल्यू 0 की ओर अप्रोच करेगी, फंक्शन की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव इन्फिनिटी की ओर अप्रोच करेगी, और जैसे जैसे x की वैल्यू लेफ्ट साइड से 0 की ओर अप्रोच करेगी, वैसे वैसे ग्राफ की वैल्यू नेगेटिव इन्फिनिटी की ओर अप्रोच करेगी. तो एट x इक्वल टू 0 पर fx इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई एक्स का लिमिट भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, और इसके साथ साथ फंक्शन की वैल्यू भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी.